Om Shanti. I am a peaceful soul. Today we are going to see what is human body. Human being means there are two parts. One is body, one is soul. Somebody say soul means energy, power, third eye of wisdom, or you can say soul or Atma or Ruh. Soul means source of unlimited light. So we will see today what is human body. So this is the only things what we are looking in the mirror every day. Only physical body or something else. So we are two parts. One being means soul, is light. Another physical being, what we are seeing every day in the mirror. What is physical body? It is, you can say, just the part we can visualize through our gross eyes. And this body, which has a physical existence. So what is the reality of human body? Human body consists of two things, that is flesh and bones. If we take a X-ray of this body, then only we can see the bones, which is indicated on the right hand side. If we take the CT scan or we can take the MRI, then we can say the body made up of flesh only, which is on the right hand side. So basically this physical body is made up of two things, flesh and bones. Along with this, we have another body which we cannot see with these eyes. In different kind of experiments of near-death experience and out-of-body experience, psychologists, neurologists, and psychiatrists and scientists, they find out that we have two bodies. One body is, you can say, made up of light only, which we can't see with this physical eyes. Kirlian camera or aura photography or aura camera can take the picture of that body too. All the scientists, doctors and psychiatrists were surprised to know that when they declared somebody as a dead person, and you can say by accident that soul came back, that power came back in the body, and they narrated everything what the doctors were talking about them. So you can say scientists have more curiosity to know about the human soul, or you can say the part of the human soul or human body which can't be seen. So they have made different experiments on different animals. They prepare a glass chamber and you can say put some animals inside them, like you can say frog, rabbit, etc. And they electrify them so they can take the pictures of only aura body of that animals. And they took it out. They have curiosity to know about human being. So they requested, you can say, doctors to give a human soul or human being who is near to death. And they put a, you can say, human soul inside the glass chamber who was going to dead within 5 to 10 minutes. They arrange all aura cameras around the glass chambers, and they were taking aura pictures or aura photography of the through the glasses of their chambers. They can see that human soul, that is, you can say, human aura, is leaving the body, and immediately it broke the glass chamber and ran away. So they cannot take more, you can say, pictures for in a fixed area. So they cannot, you can say, restrict the human being only in the chambers. So human soul was so powerful that human being cannot, you can say, restrict the area of that soul or the human being. They have more curiosity, scientists have more curiosity to know what is this. So they use another branch of the, you can say, diagnosis or medicine. That was, you can say, phobia, or you can say branch of hypnotism. Doctors and psychiatrists were able to find out the reason why a particular person has a phobia by going to in their back birth through hypnotism. And in the United States after 1980, Dr. Weiss, he made about 4,000 experiments by taking, you can say, human being in the back birth. They gone to the back birth up to 10 births and they recorded everything, their name, their relative, their country, and they gone there and checked it and they found that this is the reality. And they find out that human being takes the human body only in birth after birth. So whatever the Hinduism was believing that human being takes different, you can say, animal's body to settle their karmic accounts, but doctors or you can say scientists told that human being takes only human being because they have specific body. Their aura body is there which can fit in human being womb only. And another religion they were believing there are only one birth of the human being. Scientists prove that there are many births of human being and human souls are coming in different, you can say, bodies or different costumes of the human body in different births. In short, we have two bodies. One is physical body which we can see with the gross eyes. One is the subtle body which we can't see. So let us have deep thinking, meditation about our subtle body. That I am a soul. I am a peaceful soul, point of light which can't be seen with these gross eyes. I have two bodies. Physical body which we can see through gross eyes, subtle body which we can't see through these gross eyes. So I am taking out my subtle body from this physical body and seeing my physical body from the height above my physical body of about 3 feet away. Basically, I am a soul, but I have two bodies. I am a peaceful, powerful, pure soul, child of the Supreme Godfather. I have all very good qualities of my Supreme Soul, who is the Father of the all soul. So I am getting His power, His purity, His peace, and passing through my physical bodies to the world. All vibrations are passing through me. I can sense everything around me. I can listen the noise. Now I am entering again in my physical body and soul is sitting in the brain where there is a hypothalamus and pituitary gland is there. Science says it as a consciousness, third eye of wisdom, power, energy. Some may say as a Ruh, some may say Atma, some may say the soul. Soul means source of unlimited light. Source is point of light, so I am a point of light basically. I am a peaceful soul. That is Om Shanti means I am a soul and my quality is peace. So I am a peaceful soul. Om Shanti.